Hey everyone, good morning, good evening. This is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we'll talk about some design perspective, okay, in Tableau. Okay, so the design mean, let's suppose you are the individual contractor, you are the client facing role, and you have to create the wireframe for the end user. Okay, they are asking after giving you the data set, so dashboard, what exactly my our dashboard will look like. The client is asking to you. So you need to create the wireframe maybe on Tableau or maybe in the Google online kind of things. After like creating my Tableau, this is my design. Your data should go flow in this kind of the blocks. Okay, you can tell in the top of you have your dashboards. In this block, you have the top three KPIs, maybe four, two, depends on their requirement, what kind of they have. Okay, and maybe this is the design you actually tell your client, this is going to the my design. I am going to create this kind of the layout for your dashboards for your design. Okay, sometimes we have the two kinds of the clients. Sometimes they have the technical guy, they always send you the design, what they exactly wanted to create on that particular dashboards. And sometimes they're non-technical guy. Okay, they'll give you the data, they'll give you the business ideas, but they don't know how to create the dashboard. They don't know about the Tableau. They don't know about your design perspective. And that situation and that second situation, you need to come up with the wireframe. Okay, first create your dashboard layout, maybe your Figma, maybe Tableau, or maybe your rough workbook, whatever it is that. Okay. After understanding the data, after understanding the requirement, after understanding the KPIs, each and everything, understanding log, creating documentation, this is going to be the final output of the dashboards. Okay. Although we'll have the final review, the design keep changing or the chart will keep changing. This is keep going, but your design should be look like this. Okay, so this is the like creating the understanding. Like you'll tell them this is your the dashboard title, please, and this is your navigation. Suppose you have some navigation, like let's say you have the one dashboard, two dashboard. You wanted to switch between one or two dashboard, navigate it to one or two dashboard or three dashboard. So you can place them here. Okay, in the right side, I've never placed. You have the like pop up in or out filters criteria over here. Someone is click or the filter, it will be pop out. If someone is click at the filter, it will be hide. So based on that, okay, these are the KPIs, maybe three or five. These are this place will be your the most like what we call the timeline chart if you have, which tells you the what we call life cycle or product sales, whatever it is there. And these are the distribution chart, maybe you can the bar chart, pie chart, whatever it is that. So probably this is going to be your design part. Okay, once you understand or like gathering requirement data, okay, first create your wireframe first, then it's easy to understand. Okay, how will I create the dashboards? So most of them they start like creating these sheets. Okay, okay, I've done that. This is the bar chart, creating the calculation, and end of the day create the dashboard. My my work style will be the different. First, I'll create the wireframe. This is going to the wireframe because it saves me like 30 to 40 minutes during the end of the time. Then I'll start creating the sheets. So it's clear on mind what are the other three or the four KPIs or the five KPIs based on the requirement. What is the my top level charts over here? This is the table or the line chart, area chart, depends on the requirement. And what are the distribution looks like. Okay, this tells you the story. Okay, the followed by the KPIs, followed by the charts and some filters, navigations. So these are the things. Okay, so this is I've created the rounded corner chart Tableau itself. So now you have the new Tableau 2026.1. You have the rounded corner. You can see the rounded corner. I've never like this is not created into Figma. This is created in Tableau itself. Okay, so you can see, I'll show you the one layout here. So if I go the one layout, you can say we have the one. option available here, the corner radius. So you can mention your radius over here, okay? Each blocks. So now after applying the radius, you have the rounded corner look like this, okay? So this is the very clean, a very useful design. Once you have, you can show them, and every client has a different design. If the companies follow the same structure design, go with that. But client will give you the free hand. You need to create the clean and like insights dashboard. Go with this design. Maybe your design will be the different. But I'll tell you, this is the one of the most like useful design to understand and easy to like consume them for every of the end user. Okay. So this is not going to like telling any kind of the interview question or any, not like creating any kind of calculation. I just wanted to talk about for the design perspective, the template kind of things. Okay. So that's it from this video, and thank you so much for watching this. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel, and thank you so much for watching this.